China has more than 200 confirmed cases of coronavirus.
The number of people infected has tripled to more than 200.
Has placed travel restrictions on more cities a day after locking down Wuhan.
With cases confirmed in China, Thailand, Japan, and now South Korea.
The spread of the coronavirus is accelerating.
Sus, di totoo yan. Sarado. Uy, pre, kanina ako ba dyan?
Wala, naghihintay ng tinda nga.
Sarado pala sila ate. Uy, anong jeep niya, pre? Anong jeep? Masarap. Masarap na, pre.
Wala, wala na sa bake shop na yun. Hindi, wala ko.
Sarado din tindahan nila ate, Bigil. Hello?
Pre, alam mo na ba yung balita?
Hindi pa. Ano ba?
Namatay na si Rio eh.
Ano ba? Ano ka namatay niya, pre?
Oo pre, nagka-COVID data. Nagkita ba kayo nun?
Hi, I'm Brent Patalang. This is my first vlog or day 1. Boy, 21 years old. May nagpunta ditong nurse kahapon, contact tracing daw. Namatay kasi yung barkada ko na COVID. Pero hindi pa rin ako naniniwala. Tinwag nila ako eh. Medyo masakit nga sa ilong. Positive daw yung naging resulta. So, dito ako ngayon, naka-quarantine. Day 1 ko.
Good morning, Brent. This is Hannah Joyce Bulacan, your telehealth nurse for today. So, kamusta ka naman and how are you feeling today?
Inuubo po ako ng mga nakarang araw. Tapos po, sinisipon, sininat din po ako. At saka, yung katawan ko po parang nanlalambot. Yan po.
Okay, thank you for letting me know, Brent. So, given your symptoms and to provide you with the best care, I want to let you know that we've received confirmation that you tested positive for COVID-19.
Ganun po. Paano pong gagawin ko, ma'am?
Yes, since nag-positive ka and as your telehealth nurse, my role today is to help you manage your symptoms at para sa madali ang paggaling mo at syempre para hindi rin mahawa yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, can you please confirm your full name?
Brent Soriano Batalang po.
Okay, so thank you, Brent. Now, punta na tayo sa mga important steps para matulungan ka namin para maging better and para ma-prevent natin yung spreading ng virus sa katawan mo. So, first, Brent, kailangan na stay at home and avoid contact with others. So, napakahalaga nito, including the household members, for at least 10 days when your symptoms started. Ito ay para ma-prevent natin yung pag-spread ng virus, lalo na sa bahay. So, make sure then na makakuha ka ng plenty of rest and drink ng maraming fluids like water. And so, kapag may instance na nilagnat ka, pwede ka naman mag-take ng over-the-counter medications like Tylenol para ma-reduce yung fever and para maalis din yung mga body aches mo. Since nag-positive ka ng COVID-19, syempre kailangan mo mag-keep an eye for your other symptoms. So if you notice difficulty of breathing, persistent chest pain, confusion, or nag-bluish yung lips or face mo, kailangan mag-seek ka agad ng medical help immediately. So don't hesitate to contact your healthcare provider also your telehealth nurse like me. And also, you need to practice good hygiene by washing your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Lalo na kapag nag-cough ka or sneeze. Ano pa bang ibang question regarding sa health teaching natin today, Brent?
Wala naman na po.
So, ang wish namin ay yung agarang paggaling mo at sana lang is masundan mo yung mga steps na nasabi namin sa'yo. And as your telehealth nurse, you can also contact me again or your health provider kapag yung symptoms mo is nag-worsen. And so please don't hesitate to contact me. So we're here to support you through this. So thank you, Brent.
Thank you din po, ma'am. Hi guys. Day 2 na and medyo nahihirapan din na huminga ngayon. Inuubo. Konting lakad lang ang hinihingal ako tapos ayun, minsan nahihirapan ako makatulog sa gabi na nagpapawis. Sana matapos na to. Totoo pala yung COVID. So, sobrang lala na po ng COVID ko. Ito na po yung huli. Alam guys, ito na yung huling vlog ko. Hindi ko na kaya.